How to reset Midea washing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Midea washing machine. So first thing you can do is to go ahead and soft reset your washing machine. So to do that, go ahead and power off, turn off the washing machine using the power button, unplug, disconnect the machine from the power outlet and wait. Leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. This clears the control board memory. Now after that, go ahead and reconnect the machine back in. So plug the machine back in and power on or turn on your washing machine and try running a cycle. Now if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to hard reset your washing machine. So this is for persistent errors. Turn off and unplug the washing machine. So as with the soft reset, press and hold button. So while unplug, press and hold the start or pause and power buttons together for 5 to 10 seconds. Now after that, plug it back in. Reconnect the power while still holding the buttons and release the buttons. Let go once the machine lights blink or the display resets. And that is how you can basically reset Midea washing machine.